you have a problem with your FOBA laser?
You're unhappy with your marking quality, your marking time, or are you getting an error? Simply contact our hotline. 4 out of every 5 service requests can be solved on the same day. Many customer requests can be easily solved with a remote session and with this camera. You simply book the session, get the camera shipped for free and save a lot of money. An on-site visit of a service engineer would cost you much more. In addition to that, you may have further costs due to downtime and quality loss.
For example, with the camera, we can check the interior.
We can see everything and are able to identify any problems.
Problems with the marking quality can also be solved this way. Direct the camera to the part and simply share your screen.
Our application engineer can check your parameters and modify them to improve the marking quality. Using the same method, our FOBA Remote Academy can offer trainings at your site without being there. Our trainer does not have to travel to your site, nor your employees to us. With a camera, we can train you at your site, at your system, with your actual configuration. And there, you can easily save up to 75% of the costs.
Just contact us.